hakbang po ba ang ginagawa ngayon ng Department of Energy since may mga usapin pong ganito, ma'am?
Apo, I think ang issue is nag-uusap-usap ba sila kung ano yung ang oil price hike. That is a behavior or a behavior that should be investigated, no? At kinausap po namin yung PCC to check kung meron ngang anti-competitive behavior po among them. Now, pero isa po is talagang mahal talaga yung presyo ng bili natin ng langis, ano. And kung meron pong allegations of profiteering or anti-competitive behavior, I think on our part po, DOE can give the PCC or any of the bodies na gustong mag-investigate the information that they need if kung anong kailangan nila kasi may pattern ang hinahanap nila dyan, ano. But at the same time, I think there is room for improvement in our system. Halimbawa po kung ang isa po is every Tuesday kasing increase, ano. Actually, nung pumasok po ako sa DOE, ganun na po talaga yung system dyan. I think dati kasi monthly yan eh. So, ginawa nilang weekly kasi masyadong malaki yung jump or yung oil price change kung monthly siya. So, ginawa siyang weekly. But as observed in Congress, parang nagsasabay-sabay lahat, not only on when they increase but also how much to increase. So I think it's time to revisit also, and I think we welcome any review of the system para po ma-improve kasi po kailangan din po namin ng guidance from our legislators kung ano po mga like whatever legislations they pass in order to improve our system. But this is that would not be under ERC kasi ERC kasi is on electricity, but it would be under PCC po.